You see, you are live with VMJ, VMJ celebration, the alpha and omega of codes, where money starts and where money ends. So let's just see something there. You see there, I'm currently on some buy euros. I'm on a bought euro. As you can see the prices. I've just bought euro now. But now, what I want to show you, right? What I want to show you, I've just bought euro. But if you can see, the euro is strong according to the strategy, the modification. So I'm still gonna head euro 77%. It is still gonna go up 77%. So I'm still on euro buy, 77%. So I'll just wanna take you down straight to the actual place, to the actual place of money. So I just want to show you something here. So this is my station, right? Where I download nothing but money. So check out here. You see, I'm currently on 19,000. It's about $18,000, right? It's a USD account. It's dollars, $19,000. I got a euro buy. I'll show you just now. I got a euro buy. As you see, all these profits. It's a live account. It's a live account. But now this is the actual modification. This is the guiding, place. It is the guiding place for me. It is the place that is literally showing me what to do. So I'm still on a 77% uptrend on euro. You see, so I'm still on a 77% uptrend on euro. So I want to show you just now. So you see, this is the euro buy just now, right? It's a euro buy just now. So the question will always be, so when are you going to close it? So I'm going to close based on the system, based on the system. That is when I'm going to close it. So the only time I'm going to close, I'll close based on the system. So now let me show you how does, or rather, let me tell you something. It's fire, it's too much. $19,000. It's more than 200,000 rands in a day. So now I wanna tell you about this mod, right? So the first thing is, I don't just take trades. That is the first thing. I don't just take trades. And the second thing is, I don't just close trades. So I don't just take trades and I don't just close trades, but I take trades based on the strength. Who's live with VMJ celebration? As I'm working on something here. I'm telling you. The codes have been doing it, and the codes have been doing it for the longest of time now. For the longest of time, I'm telling you. Who's live with me right now? Today I'm superly excited because I'm working on something. I'm working on something. I'm telling you, it's crazy. The modification of Payapa, the only modification of Payapa, from the founder. Oh, for you today. Who's live with me right now? What's the strategy? Is Payapa modified? Nothing else. We're doing it big. It's money everywhere. You see it there. I'll be showing you right now what I'm up to. I'll show you just now what I'm up to. Just keep waiting. I'll be showing you right now what I'm up to. So I'm right at my trading station right now, and this is the place where I don't make any loss. I don't make any loss, and as I have said it out that I've got the new modification of all my strategies. So I'm telling you, so it's happening right now. So basically, I'm on a buy euro, right? I'm on a buy euro, and I've been on this buy euro for quite some time. It's not the longest of time because it's about two hours. So I had to first test so that I can see what's happening really on the modifications. So I'll just love to take you through. I'll just love to